welcome back to Mobility Solutions, AffordableMedicalUSA.com. Today we're going to get a glimpse into the customer experience and how one decides which is the right power chair for them. Will it be the Ally or GP130?
Terry and
Lena.
from Springfield. Straight up.
The seat's not bad. Now, the weight of this.
It's nice if you have the opportunity to get your hands of these chairs before buying to really see what works best for you. This is why a good local dealer is a benefit.
Now you can use that as a handle.
Oh, this is not bad.
Now you still have the battery in, so the battery's not that heavy.
Okay.
Use that handle. Yep. Click.
This chair is the Golden GP130.
Perfect. All right. So that's one. So how was that hard?
No.
What would you rate it? 1 to 10. 10 the easiest.
10 is easy. That's got a 10.
Okay. Good. All right. You ready for this? It's either
Either
side.
And that just.
Yep. Now you're gonna have to get used to this. Yep.
Do I need to put this arm up?
You can have this down too, but just. Yep.
And this is the Golden Ally.
Whoop.
That's fine. You see this? Just pull this up a little bit.
Oh,
and
yes,
slide
you
this
said
out,
that.
and
I'm
it's gonna
sorry.
click, right?
Okay.
Click. And then from here, you can pick it up on each side. You can lean it up like this, and y'all can pick it up like this. You know what I mean? Use this as a handle.
Yeah. It still might will take both of us, but it's not that bad either. So that's not bad either.
That's not bad at all.
Okay. Now to unfold it.
I feel like I got to do something. I'm sure there's something to do.
Yep. Right here. Push down.
Oh,
Push down.
push
one
down
hand.
and hold.
Yep, and pull it up.
Okay. You just lift up.
Yep.
And it's locked, so
Yep.
unlock this.
You don't
No,
have to mess with it.
don't mess with that.
That's if you want to push it.
If I want to push it. Okay.
All right, so now fold up, fold down. Where were you at? 1 to 10. See, you're not gonna hurt my feelings.
If I just remember these steps to take, it would be another 10.
You'll learn those
Yeah.
steps. So you can say 10.
Yes. All right, still up to you, but both are easy.
We just wanted to show you the difference. They're in here looking at different chairs. They've already been our YouTube channel. That's how they found us, right? YouTube.
Yes.
And they found the Ally. He watched all the videos on our channel. We have a lot of videos on this chair. We love this chair, but since he came here, we showed him some other chairs. And I'm confusing him a little bit, but for what he's using it for, we're trying to find the right chair for him. So sometimes when you watch these videos, it helps you, but it's never, you really need to come in and try some of these chairs out. So these are both made by Golden. This is the Golden Ally, and this is the GP130. Fold down, fold up. If you have a good local dealer, go shop at your local dealer. Shopping online sometimes could save you money. It's not always the best thing to do. If you have a good local dealer in your area, go to Golden Technologies, check out the dealer page, put in your zip code. It'll show you different Golden dealers. It'll show you if they're tech support, like what other services they provide for Golden. But if you don't have a good local dealer, you can always shop with us at AffordableMedicalUSA.com. Ally GP130. They came from
Springfield.
How far is that from where you're from here?
An hour.
An hour drive. That's a good drive. And we have people come from Asheville, all over the place, to be honest with you. It's crazy. And we appreciate that. So, all right, so he made up his mind. I didn't push him. His wife didn't push him. His wife kept telling him, you pick what you want. He decided on the
Ally.
Okay. Can I ask you why?
Yeah, it was a little bit more comfortable, I think.
Okay.
And folding up and down was a lot easier.
Okay.
That's what I liked about it.
Not having to take it apart.
Yeah, you don't have to take it apart like I did the other one.
So that's it.
That's it.
All right. Well,
There's a hard decision to make between the two of them.
I mean, you could have went with either one.
I could have went with either one, yes.
All right. But he will say if you need a little bit tighter turning in your house, he liked this one better. He liked the comfort a little bit. He considered him about the same comfort at one time, but he's leaning back to here, higher back. He's a taller guy. And then they like the fold down and unfolding design that the Ally has compared to the take the seat off and fold down on this one. So that's fine with me. It's not my chair until you get it. It's mine now. But I hope this video helped y'all decide, for them at least, it helped them coming in here and checking them out. So cool. Black?
Black.
Now I'll get one out of the box. The only thing I need you to do is charge the battery when you get home. Is that cool? I'd like to give it a full charge. And I'll show you how to charge it. I'll go over all different things. You're right-handed?
Correct.
Okay. You can't change this from right to left. You can do the same with this one. It's a lot more work though. If you do order this online, you want it left-hand side, let me know. I'll do it before we ship it to you. Here it is. We're going to unbox this for him. So if you order this online, just so you know, this is how it's going to come. Let me get my cutter. You're going to cut these straps right off with some scissors or a knife. I'm using a mail opener. And then look, just take the top off. Styrofoam out. Charger is going to be right here. You're going to want to charge this up before you use it. There's your charger. It's got the serial number on it. Right here, there's a little tool kit. I'm trying to remember if you need these. I don't think you do. I think these are extra screws, but here's a little tool kit. Put this in your storage bag. This comes out. Right here, you'll find your quick start, your manual. And we do have a good unboxing of this, just so you know. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab it right here at this foot plate and just pull it straight up. I'll have my helper move it out the way. And then from here, just go ahead and take this wrapper off. Back here, you're going to unfold it. There's a thing you press down, bring this straight up, and you're just going to kind of walk it around. Look at this, pretty and black. This is more of a matte finish. Back here, you unlock this, pull that up, or turn that, pull this out. You can charge it through here, so plug the charger into here and then into the wall. Give that a full charge. There'll be a light on this charger that usually turns green when it's fully charged. They usually say charge it for 12 hours before you will undo your first initial charge. Back here is your storage compartment that comes standard with this unit. You can buy some other accessories. They're on the website. Plenty of room back here to put your manual, your toolkit. And your little toolkit can all go right back here. Nice zipper. You also have a storage compartment underneath it. Now this is not going to roll, so if you want to put it in free will to move it without power, just go ahead and put it in the free will. You can use your foot if you're very careful. A couple other things I want to do to it. Get this box out of here. Little basket underneath here, a bag basket. If you're shorter, you can change the foot plate. You can bring this up a notch. Now you're going to want to take this plastic off right here. This one just actually is coming off easy. Just pull it right off. This is your USB and A. You have a light touch light when the battery's in. Over here, you're going to have a warning label. No weight bearing. Don't put a lot of weight on this. Back here, not here. Now these do flip up. If you want to get out, this does flip up also. And then we're going to take this sticker off. And if you did have the battery connected, you would charge it through here. And then there's a in the manual, they should have all the information about your Bluetooth app, how you can download it, change the settings and the sounds and stuff like that. Besides that, very nice chair. Very easy to fold. Has a seat belt also. Seat belt's right here if you need it. Right here to fold it up again and just bring it around. Make sure that in the way. You can roll it like a suitcase. You can stand it straight up in storage. You can fly with this. I have a customer that just went to the San Diego Zoo, loved it. You can use this in your yard, but just be reasonable with how places that you use it. You can use this as a walker, and then when you get tired, you can ride it. You can use this as a transport chair. If someone's in this and you want to push them, you also can buy a remote right here for it. You can control it, so if you need to bring it to you, you can use your phone. You can buy a heat cushion that plugs into that. I'm not a big fan of the cup holder. You can get a headrest. Both of these will interfere with some of the folding down design, so I don't really care for that. Headrest is pretty nice, but it will interfere a little bit with the compact fold design. Besides that, any questions, just give me a call at 803-926-2224. Again, you buy this for inside your house or taking it out. Very nice, very classic look. Thank you, man.
Thanks, I appreciate it. Appreciate the help and information.
Yes, sir. Good. Thank you for the water.
And that's how it's done. Come out and see us, test drive, and see what's going to be best for you.
Kind of use those front wheels to roll it.
Give us a call at 803-926-2224 or check us out online at affordablemedicalusa.com. We are here to answer all of your questions and find the mobility solution for your needs.